getting old. New Year's Day, I didn't go anywhere. We just watched a movie and cuddled, and it's just mom life, you know. You don't want to go anywhere for New Year's, you just want to be with your family. So it is now 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm probably gonna make some coffee. We're probably gonna have some pancakes this morning for New Year's Day and just hang out, really. The banana. Luella now has a double ear infection. Now she is on amoxicillin. So I'm just gonna draw her up some medicine this morning. Thank you. One more. Big girl. Come on, big girl. You got it. Good job. Help me. Alright, hold it. Good. Oh, open. Open. Good job. Keep your fingers out. Is that your lights? Is that Miss Rachel? Whoa. I got tons of toys for Christmas, so I'm trying to find a new system of organizing. I did purchase something from Amazon to kind of put her stuff away and in drawers and organized. I'm going to use these to organize like all her small stuff. I'm super excited to get this organized and clean because right now it looks a hot mess. Take a breath, that doesn't work? Are you excited to see him? Are you excited to see him? And the flowers bloom in the sun. Look how long those are. Oh my goodness. Stand my ground. My baby, I love you. I love you. I don't know. I think she wants to brush her teeth. Toothpaste. You want to brush? Yeah, wants to brush her teeth. So I have this cream I got from my dermatologist. It's for my eczema because my eczema has been really flared up, but only in like 2 certain spots. My eczema's pretty much gone anywhere else on my body except right in between my eyebrows and like right above my lip. I think I struggled pretty bad postpartum, and I feel like I could have had postpartum depression and all the things, anxiety, and I just never really talked to anybody about it. But I do feel like things have gotten a lot better now, and I feel like I can actually like take care of myself, because I was just too focused on everybody else and taking care of my newborn and all the things. But I am ready to feel good again, because it has been rough. No, no, no ma'am. Say hi. You got a snot nose, you know that? I got this tripod for free as a TikTok shop affiliate. I make videos and earn commissions. Here is a sample video on the product. If you are looking to upgrade your content, I may need you to listen up, because this is my new favorite tool for creating content. I love that you can adjust the camera with one hand and just use your thumb. Not to mention the stability on this thing is absolutely insane. It allows me to get really smooth content when I'm panning things, which is super helpful, because I feel like when I film content, my hands are really shaky and just things aren't very smooth. You can use this as a normal tripod or as a selfie stick, however you want to use it. It also comes with AI face tracking. So if I could move around the room, it's going to follow me, and I think that's so cool. It's like if you're cleaning or cooking, it's going to follow you around the house, which I think is awesome. For example, here's me painting my nightstand so you guys can see how smooth the stability is. It looks so good. If you guys want to try it out, I do have it linked down below. We are currently eating lunch. They are cheddar bratwurst, Parmesan crusted potatoes, and homemade corn. So that is what we're eating. What are you doing? You're watching TV? You should be eating. My package came early from Amazon, and I'm so excited. Her toys look so good. I found this, I think it's a little over $100, and I just love having things organized, and this just makes my heart so happy. So the drawers actually pull out, they roll, and I think it's like the coolest thing. But I did use these clear bins to organize any of like the smaller toys, which was super helpful too. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll have it linked down below. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. My ground, hear the sounds, take a breath and just let